Very often in policing, we run into people who live in their own sense of reality when it comes to traffic stops. And sometimes it takes a deputy who don't play that, a sergeant shutdown, and a zap with a taser to shock them back into reality about what the law really is. This is one of those.
Here across with 12 and 88, right in front of top secret.
3327 traffic.
You're not giving me a ticket. I have to go to Walgreens.
You can't just run stop sign.
I had a bottle over there.
Do you have a driver's license and insurance?
No.
Do you have a license?
No, it's revoked.
In a lot of jurisdictions, driving on a revoked license, trip straight to jail.
Why are you driving?
Because I have to go to Walgreens to get my prescription.
Why'd you run the stop sign?
I didn't run the stop sign. I have a water bottle over there, so I couldn't hit the brake.
So you ran the stop sign because you couldn't hit the brake is what you're saying?
Yeah.
What's at Walgreens?
My prescription. They're gonna close at 6, please.
What's your first name? Phone number for you?
There's people burning out and all the way over
Yeah, and
there.
you blew through a stop sign. Your car smells like weed, and you said you have a revoked driver's license. So
No, it doesn't smell like weed. Don't start because it doesn't smell like weed. I haven't smoked. I haven't done anything in this car. So
Something you may not have picked up on. I was wondering why a backup officer showed up on this misdemeanor car stop, but I noticed that he said a code 10-0 to the other officer over top of the car, which means that he heard something he wanted to make sure that the officer who stopped the vehicle or the sergeant that stopped the vehicle was aware of. This is working well together. In fact, I'll tell you a quick story. When I worked on Graveyard, we could tell just by the tone and inflection in another officer's voice when they were calling out their car stop whether we needed to roll to the stop. So it's good to see these officers working that well together.
literally people getting burned out. Why don't you go pull them over?
there's a whole bunch of us looking for burnouts.
Yeah, exactly. I just literally, because I couldn't hit the brake because this was over there. And my car doesn't smell like weed.
Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
I'm not going to step out of the car.
Okay, you are. Go ahead and step out. Step out of the car.
I'm not going to step out of the car.
Okay, I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
You guys are saying that it smells like weed and it doesn't. I haven't smoked here. I literally ran the stop sign because I had something in my foot.
Step out of the
Go
car.
and pull over there over the people that are
So I'm
burning
going to ask
out.
you one more time to step out.
No,
Otherwise, I'm
I
gonna
don't
remove you
have
from
to
the
get out
vehicle.
because I haven't done anything.
Okay.
Get out of the car, otherwise you're going to be placed under arrest for
No, I'm
obstructing.
gonna call the police department over here in the Wisconsin Dells. No, 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 no. Don't touch me. Don't touch me because I haven't done anything illegal.
Get out!
3327
Wait.
resisting.
Hey,
Get out!
I'm not resisting.
Get out!
Touch me.
Put your hands behind your back!
Quit facing me.
Put your hands behind your
I
back!
haven't even done anything.
Put your hands behind your back!
You tased me, dude. Why are you tasing me? I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. I want your fucking bags, dude. You're illegal.
You're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest for what?
Resisting.
I did not resist. I did not resist.
In custody, there's a couple of things that I wanted to cover that make this stop very, very interesting and a lot that you can learn from this stop. I counted about 7 times that they told her to step out of the vehicle. Another thing that I noticed, while the officers are in the midst of attempting to take her into custody while she's resisting, listen to the radio traffic.
3327 resisting.
Hey!
You hear the officer who initiated the stop get on the radio and say that she's resisting. The challenge that I have is that the best time to request additional units? Because you know that they're gonna start flying to you when they hear you in this struggle. The other thing, we see the drive stun of the taser. That drive stun is localized pain. You're not gonna get the neuromuscular incapacitation where the entire body's locked up. It was effective because it changed her behavior. It shocked her into the reality that this hurts, they're putting me in handcuffs, and I gotta stop this wrestling that I'm doing.
Hey, I did not resist. They just tased me, dude.
What's going on?
They just tased me for no reason. Please go talk to me, please. Please, please, you come and talk to me.
Tell me what happened.
So she's saying this other police department, Wisconsin Dells, which I researched this, and there's kind of some kind of mutual aid type situation where they work within the same jurisdictions, and we're gonna see that more as this progresses.
This officer came and pulled me over. I couldn't stop this sunlight because there was a water bottle in my fucking shirt.
Relax, just relax.
You can see, and he's trying to say that I smoke weed. I didn't smoke. He tased me for no reason. I want to see your video camera.
You all in court.
No, in court for what? Why are they arresting me?
Have a seat.
They're saying that I'm resisting.
The car in those place here. Just relax.
Okay then, why did he tase me? Just tase me for no reason. You didn't even ask, dude. You didn't even ask. You're racist.
racist is so counterproductive if you really think someone's racist. I did not see this officer do anything at all that's racist. Aside from them being two different colors and the officer utilizing force, I don't see anything that was racist. There's another challenge that I'd like you to listen to if we were to listen to what this young lady said in the beginning, because this whole there's no weed, didn't smell weed, all of this stuff, it really matters, because I'll tell you, she let me know that she does smoke weed because she said, I didn't do anything in the car and I haven't smoked, which means that she probably does smoke. She didn't smoke it inside the car, but she likely does smoke. And I'd like you to look at her hair. Smokers, understand that if you smoke somewhere else, your hair, if it's this long and this full, is going to smell like weed. And the officer can't distinguish whether it's from you, from something inside the car, because there may be from you and something inside the car. And we'll see going forward if that's the case.
Hey, please can somebody talk to me? You tased me for no reason. No reason at all. Officer, I did not resist. Why are you saying that I resist? Why are you saying that I resist? Why are you charging me with that? I did not even do anything to you. I'm gonna go see my kids. What the f? I did not resist. Let me see your body camera saying I resisted.
Did you want through a stop sign?
She blew right through it.
Unless it's
Doesn't have an ID, but has a driver's license.
she stopped fighting pretty quick with the drive time.
Yeah, she did. We're great. She wasn't before that.
Sounds like she just got out today.
Oh.
I thought that's what you said. I saw she was 10-0 on the screen, so.
Police brutality with me for no reason. For no reason at all. Why are they towing my car? Why are they towing my car? It's on the side of the street. No, don't tow my car. Why are they towing my car? Don't tow my car. Why are they towing my car? It's on the side of the street. Don't let them tow it.
No, it's being towed, okay?
Why? It's not on the road. It's not even on the road. Why are you towing it? Why am I going in front of the judge?
Bond Monday.
What? I didn't even resist, so you're doing this on purpose. Are you racist or what?
No?
Yes, you are. I got kids, dude. That car is for kids. I don't got no license because I don't got no family up here. I have to drive. But what are you charging me?
Possession of THC, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of a prescription
Drug paraphernalia? Well, for what?
container that has weed in it. The container itself is...
I don't have weed in.
There's weed in the container we found. There's also some pills that are prescription only that were found loose throughout your car and resisting.
That's all a ticket, no? Why are you taking me to jail?
Because you're being charged with 5 crimes.
5 crimes? What crime?
5 misdemeanor charges. Resisting, possession of weed, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of a RX without an RX.
What is that?
Like a pill that was found in your car.
That's my pills.
Okay. They were loose throughout the car, not the ones in the container.
Yeah, those are mine.
Okay, well they need to be in the prescription bottle, so you have to prove that in court.
How much is the bill?
I'll add it up here in a second.
I don't even have money.
This is one of those situations that have completely been avoided. First of all, she shouldn't have even been on the road with a revoked license. Had she acted in a mature, respectful manner from the time that the stop started, it is very likely that she would not have all of these charges. She may have went to jail for the revoked license, who knows? She may have got a citation, but it wouldn't have turned into this whole use of force and fighting on the street and all of these other officers tied up, and she made her life that much more difficult. If you know someone, and a lot of us do, know a person who would act in this manner, send them this video, because this will help them realize that it's not a win situation, and hopefully after she gets out of jail, she'll realize that this was not a win for her and maybe make better choices going forward. If you like this kind of content and learning about police tactics and police interactions from this degree, this is the place to do it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the video that's on your screen if you'd like to see more content like this. And there's a whole catalog of videos with different types of stops and different police interactions that you can learn from.